Nais kong gumalaw, isigaw sa buong mundo. Nasaan ang sikat ng araw? Dito sa silangan inyong matatanaw. 7,000 islang, puro luntian, napapaligiran ng karagatan. Tayo'y nabubuhay sa arkipelago. Dayuhan ay biglang pumasok at sumako sa atin. Sabi nila sila'y kailangan natin. Tayo mga alipin sa sariling lupa, tinamnan ng ninuno. Pelas ang silanganan, inararo ang likas na mayamang Pilipinas. Mindanao, Visayas at Luzon, I'm ready to defend the 3 stars in the sun. Manila, ang sabi ng iba'y ay Maynila. Tayo isinilang upang di maging alila ng kahit ninumang sinumang dayuhan. Mandirigmang mga likas na matapang, gerilero, katipunero, mga marino, handang ipagtanggol ang mga sundanong Pinoy. Hoy!
Mga kababayan!
Gising! Wag nang mambahala siyempre, 'cause I'm the man from Manila.
I am the man from Manila. Kami ang tinig na kayumanggi. I am the man from Manila. Buhayin natin ang ibig ng lahi.
The man from Manila, the killer, the showstopper, death rhyme creator, deep like a crater, mentally equipped to rip in a position in a second, a heartbeat, making move your feet, rock to the beat, the MOD can cut a groove to, 'cause life is Megalona's here to move you, make you understand complicated, but still I made it. I'm more hard climb at the top, but still I waited for my chances for lifetime. My rockin' dope rhymes make you get a feel of what it's like to be me. One time I was a young blood, growing up reckless, but God showed me a way to redirect this, channeling the blood with a vision of new tomorrow, that the land and the love be relieved of its sorrow, and peace without a lies can reign once and forever. Make this land greater. Start with the man from Manila. Manila is still a brand new authority, the dance floor king in full effect, superiority of hip hop madness, rhymes for royal badness. From the time I perform to while I finish, you'll be glad this representating, 'cause you've been waiting all night to get up and move your body right. Now's the time to let it all show. Just go with the flow, now you know that it's the man from Manila.
I am the man from